In the battle of Uhud, all companions of Muhammad ran away. Chapter Al-Imran, verse 153. Except Ali alayhi salam, and Allah said, subject incident at Uhud was to show who is the true believer. Chapter Al-Imran, verse 166. In the battle of Khandaq, due to heavy suffering and adversity, when the Muslim cried, when will come the help of Allah? Ah, verily the help of Allah is near. Chapter Baqarah, verse 214. Hazrat Ali alayhi salam at this juncture responded to the challenge of famous warrior Amr bin Abdwad, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the total faith is going against the total disbelief. When the formidable champion of invader was killed by Hazrat Ali alayhi salam, the Prophet declared, one strike of Ali on the day of Khandaq is superior to the apex of prayers. In the battle of Khaybar, when the repeated attacks to capture the enemy's fort failed, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, tomorrow I will give banner of Islam to the one who is a charger and not a deserter, and would conquer the fort. Next day, in response to the challenge of Marhab, Hazrat Ali alayhi salam said, my mother named me Heather, and I am the lion of Allah. What is then the matter with them that they turn away from the admonition as if they were asses taking fright from a lion? Chapter Mudattir, verse 49 to 51. It was Ali alayhi salam, known as Lion of Allah and Yadullah, that is hand of Allah, who always played the decisive role in inflicting crushing defeat on the enemy. So when you are free, nominate. Chapter in Sharia, verse 7. During Miraj, Allah revealed to Muhammad the Ma. Chapter Najm, verse 10. And while returning from Hajj at Ghadir Khum, Allah commanded, convey Muhammad openly the message Ma that was revealed, and that if that Ma was not conveyed, then you Muhammad have not done any act of prophethood. Chapter Maida, verse 67. So when you are free, nominate, that is, establish Imama. Chapter in Sharia, verse 7. Therefore, at Ghadir Khum, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam took Ali alayhi salam on the pulpit and declared before a large gathering of pilgrims, of whomsoever I am Mawla, that is master, Ali is his Mawla. Thereafter it was revealed that this day, that is, with the declaration of Ali alayhi salam as successor of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah has perfected the Deen-e-Islam with the grant of his Nemat, that is Ali. Chapter Maida, verse 3. And remember the favor of Allah on you, and his covenant with which he bound you firmly when you said, "We have heard and we accept," and be careful of your duty to Allah. Surely Allah knows what is in the breast. Chapter Ma'idah, verse 7. They recognize the ni'mat, that is favor of Allah, yet they deny it, and most of them are ungrateful. Chapter Nahl, verse 83. After the incidents of Ghadir, Haris bin Nu'man in Medina addressed Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, saying, "If the wilayat of Ali is true, then torment of Allah be on me." Immediately a stone fell on Haris and he died on the spot. Referring to subject incidents, Allah states, "A questioner asked about a torment to befall, which the unbelievers experience, and none can avert it." Chapter Ma'arij, verse 1 and 2. In the house of Hazrat Salma, wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when the verse Tathir was revealed, "Verily, Allah intends to keep off from you uncleanliness, O you Ahl Bayt, and purify you with a thorough purification." Chapter Ahzab, verse 33. The Prophet was under a mantle along with Ali, Fatima, Hassan and Hussein, and showed his Ahl Bayt. In Mubaila regarding Jesus with the Christian of Najran, when Allah said, "Come, let us call our sons and your sons, and our women and your women, and our nafus and your nafus. Then let us pray for the curse of Allah on the liars." Chapter Al-Imran, verse 61. Prophet took Mawla Ali in place of nafus. Therefore Ali alayhi salam is also called Nafsullah, that is, nafs of Allah. It is not fitting for the people of Medina or the Bedouin Arabs of the neighborhood to oppose the Allah's Messenger or his nafs. Chapter Tawbah, verse 120. Your wali, that is master, is Allah, his messenger, and those who believe keep up prayers and pay the poor rate while they bow. Chapter Ma'idah, verse 55. Refers to Mawla Ali when he gave his ring to a beggar while bowing down during prayers. And we made of them imams to guide by our command, and they display patience and faith in our communication. Chapter Sajda, verse 24. On 19th Ramadan, 40 after Hijrah, Mawla Ali was martyred in the mosque while offering prayers and died on 21st Ramadan. And those who give their life for Allah, consider them not as dead. Chapter Al-Imran, verse 169.